Okay, so George here does not sleep in a crate. He doesn't go into a crate regularly. So that's one of the first things we're going to do today because all dogs here sleep in the crate. So we want him to be comfortable and we want to start the process of getting him comfortable going in and out as well as staying there. Good boy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the leash to guide him in and out. And so this crate has two doors, so that's really going to help us guide him in one way and guide him out the other way so that he has multiple ways of going in and out. Good boy. George. Good. Good boy. Good boy. So we're just trying to get him comfortable going in and out. Good. I am not going to lock him in just yet. Just holding that pressure. Good. Good boy. Good job. Good job. So he is already very comfortable going in and out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to close one of the doors. Good boy, George. Good job. Because this is the way that we're going to want him to go in and out. This side door will be closed. Good boy. Good job. And after we do a few repetitions of him going in and out, I am going to start using the word crate. Good. Because we want there to be a cue for him to go in the crate. And that's going to be the word crate. Crate. So every time he gets inside, I'm going to say the word crate. Crate. I'm not going to tell him to go to the crate yet because he doesn't know what that word means. Crate. Good. And we want to build up that association with the word first. Crate. Good job. Crate. Crate. And remember, with training sessions like this, active training sessions, we always want to end it on a good note. Good boy. Great. So since he's doing really well with this, I'm not going to try to push it to the next step yet. I'm going to end it here where it's positive. Good. Great. So that he has positive associations with this training session. Great. If I tried to push it too far too soon, I could create a negative association with the crate. Great. Good. Great. So since it's going so well, I'm going to stop here. We're going to do something else, and then we'll come back to it and work on it again. Great. Good job. Okay. So now that he is comfortable going in and out of the crate with this side door closed, I put this flap down. So we're going to see if he can go in and out comfortably with this side flap down. George, Great. Easy. Great. Good job. George, great. Good. George, great. Good job. Great. George, great. Good. George, great. Good job. Great. 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 George, great. Good. Great. Awesome. Great. And he does eat kibble, so that's what I've got in my treat pouch. I'm just using his regular everyday food as rewards. Good. Great. Good job. So now that he's in there comfortably, I'm going to go to the next step. And my next step is closing and opening the door. Good. That's it. George, great. Yes. 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 I am also wanting to be a little bit dramatic about it because the crates will naturally make that sound and I want him to not be afraid of it. Yes. 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 George, great. Good. Yes. Now I'm going to start holding it closed just a tiny bit longer. Yes. 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 Good job. Yes. 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 He's doing really well. Yes. Let's go. Good. George. Great. Good. Yes. So now I'm starting to hold the door closed for just a little bit longer. Yes. 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 And remember, yes, we want training sessions to be fun and positive. So if he's doing really well, that's actually a sign to end the training session, not go to the next step. So since he's doing well with this, I don't want to push it too much. Good. Him lying down is awesome. It means he's comfortable. I don't want to push it too much, so I'm not going to start closing it and go to the next step. I'm going to end the training session when he's doing really well like this so that it stays positive. And then we'll do something else and we'll come back to it later. Good job. Let's go. So something else that we're starting today is yes work. So I'm saying the word yes before I give him a reward because that's what yes means. It's not an affirming word. It's not a good, keep going word. Yes to dogs simply means a reward is coming. So yes work can be used in a variety of ways. It can be used in active training like this. You say yes, which means they're getting a reward. Or it can be used out and about when they're distracted or when you want to redirect them off of something. Yes. It simply is classical conditioning, teaching them that the word yes means come back to me, connect back with me, and you get a reward. Yes. So since he was doing so well with me opening and closing this, yes, he is ready for the next step. And so our next step is going to be me latching this. So I'm just going to latch it and unlatch it. Yes. Yes. And then we unlatch. Good. So I don't want to try to keep him in there for too long because then I'm basically just waiting for him to mess up. And I want to reward him before he messes up. Good boy. Yes. And we're just doing that over and over. Good. And since he's doing so well, that's a sign that I can end the training session. I'm not going to try to go to the next step yet. Good. I'm getting him used to the sounds that this makes because it's a crate and it will inevitably slam at some point. Good. Good. Yes. Good job. Let's go.